These are the new heavy power jack inverters for off-grid uses. So this is the 5000 watt, and the one that we're about to put on top is the 6000, so you'll see the difference in size. And these things are heavy, so there's the difference in size. It's quite longer because there's an extra transformer. And here we're just unwrapping the 15,000 watt, which is one beast. And the exciting thing will be how on earth one mounts this. And that is a 48 volt unit with a 250 amp battery charger, and as you can see, it's a hell of a lot more than the 6000 watt. So this is the inside of the 6000 watt unit with two 3 kilowatt transformers and one fan at the end. This is the inside of the huge beast, which has 3 5 kilowatt transformers in, and that will deliver quite happily. It will deliver 9 or 10 kilowatts, and it will deliver 5 to 6 kilowatts continuously, from my experience of the smaller units, enough to run a house.